Did you know 30% of manufacturing costs come from inefficiencies? Today, we're revealing 5 simple hacks to work smarter, not harder. Hack number 1. Organize with 5S methodology. Explain sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain. Show before-after shots of a workstation, cluttered versus optimized. Just 10 minutes a day can save hours in lost productivity. Hack number 2. Preventative maintenance schedules. A broken machine can cost $10,000 an hour in downtime. Show checklist examples: lubrication, belt inspections, sensor calibrations. Use animation to highlight predictive maintenance versus reactive fixes. Hack number 3. Cross-train employees. What happens if your CNC operator calls in sick? Show workers learning multiple stations prevents bottlenecks. Interview a plant manager. Since cross-training, our absenteeism delays dropped 40%. Hack number 4. Use visual management. Show color-coded floor markings, shadow boards, and lights. No more guessing where tools go, saves 15 minutes per shift. Time-lapse of workers moving faster with clear visual cues. Hack number 5. Small batch production. Contrast large inventory piles versus lean, just-in-time batches. Reducing WIP, work in progress, cuts storage costs by 25%. Example, automotive plant switching to smaller, frequent runs. Which hack will you try first? Comment below. Subscribe for more efficiency tips. Subscribe to our website's newsletter for your free 10-point factory efficiency checklist. Download link in description.